Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Sony WH-1000XM5 is probably one of the most sought-after pieces of audio equipment for audiophiles and casual listeners alike, offering an unparalleled blend of noise cancellation, sound quality, and comfort that redefines the listening experience, making it a top contender for anyone looking to immerse themselves in pure, uninterrupted sound. Number 5. BMANI Earbuds Wireless Bluetooth Headphones. Experience unparalleled freedom with up to 80 hours of playtime. The charging case features a clear LED display to show remaining power, ensuring you're always ready for your longest days. Dive into rich bass and crisp highs with advanced audio drivers. Dual microphones ensure your calls are always clear, even in noisy environments, for a truly engaging experience. Enjoy seamless Bluetooth pairing and stable connections that reconnect automatically. Dedicated buttons provide easy control over your music and calls without accidental touches. Designed with adjustable ear hooks, these earbuds stay comfortably in place during any workout. They offer a secure fit for all ear shapes, ensuring they won't slip during intense activities. These earbuds are built for your active lifestyle, with a sweat and dust-resistant design. Their compact and durable build makes them the ideal companion for workouts, commutes, and travel. Enjoy all-day comfort with an ergonomic design that fits securely. They are universally compatible with smartphones, tablets, and laptops for a seamless audio experience everywhere. What we like. If you need headphones that last for days on a single charge, these are for you. The impressive 80-hour playtime and clear LED display mean you'll always know your battery status. If you're a traveler or someone who forgets to charge often, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The battery lasts over 8 hours. I find these comfortable and made of good quality. The battery life is great. I would wear these at work for about 8 hours and the battery lasted the whole time and didn't take long to recharge. They work great for phone calls and gaming IMO. Number 4. KVIDIO Bluetooth Headphones Over Ear. Experience music like never before with our advanced dual drivers. Enjoy a concert hall feel with crystal clear, low-latency audio reproduction. Designed for extended wear, these headphones feature ultra-soft memory protein foam ear cups and an adjustable headband. Their lightweight, foldable design makes them perfect for any activity. Connect effortlessly to any Bluetooth-enabled device or use the 3.5mm cable. The built-in microphone ensures clear hands-free calls and meetings. With an impressive 65 hours of playtime on a single charge, you can enjoy uninterrupted audio. Switch to wired mode for endless listening, even on long journeys. Featuring the latest Bluetooth version 5.4, enjoy an ultra-fast and stable connection up to 33 feet. A quick 2.5-hour charge provides all the power you need. Your purchase includes the foldable headphones, a 3.5mm audio cable, a USB charging cable, and a user manual for a complete experience. What we like. For those who prioritize comfort and sound quality during long listening sessions, consider these. The lightweight design and plush ear cups ensure all-day comfort, while the deep bass delivers an immersive audio experience. If you're a student or frequent traveler looking for a balance of comfort and great sound, these are a solid pick. What people say. The memory foam ear cups are incredibly soft and I can wear them for hours during work or travel without any of that annoying pressure on my ears. The sound quality is remarkably crisp with deep, punchy bass that makes my music feel immersive, and the Bluetooth connection is rock solid with no lag. Perhaps the most impressive feature is the battery life, which seems to last forever on a single charge. They are lightweight, fold up easily from my bag, and look much more expensive than they actually are. These last for days and the sound is incredible. Comfortable enough to wear that long. The speakers over ear turn and that's my only negative thing. Only because I take on and off a lot with one hand, so it's my fault. It's been about 3 months and I'm going to buy another pair ASAP. Just because they get loose and when bending throughout the day and fall off. They are very sturdy to begin with. Made well. I can't hear anything around me if I choose. But that happens with every brand I've tried. Great product. The buttons make skipping songs and changing volume easy. Just one click to change volume, hold it down and boom, next song. These connect effortlessly and quickly to my laptop and phone at the same time. Super long battery life, 2+ days for me on one charge going non-stop. I absolutely hate a short battery life, so I test this first thing. Sound quality passes my son's snobbery test. My hearing is damaged, so I am a poor judge, but he was impressed, especially at this price point. Comfort is just fine, it's not luxurious. There is just enough padding about the ears, more would make them feel more premium. I have very small ears and mine fit fine in the ear area provided. My ears are also super sensitive to pressure and friction, so my absurd 2+ day really challenged this, and I was really happy with no discomfort. Sturdiness seems fine, I slept with them on and they survived. The plastic does feel very light and cheap, but I honestly don't care. Number 3. KVIDIO over-ear Bluetooth headphones. Experience superior comfort with our ultra-soft ear cups and adjustable headband. Designed to be lightweight and foldable, they're perfect for travel, workouts, or daily use. Enjoy a concert-like audio experience with powerful 40mm drivers. These headphones deliver low-latency, clear stereo sound for all your music and media. Pairing is simple and quick with the latest Bluetooth technology. They connect seamlessly to any device supporting Bluetooth or a 3.5mm cable, and include a built-in microphone for clear calls. With an impressive 65 hours of playtime on a single charge, you can listen for days. A quick 2.5-hour charge gets you back to your music, and you can switch to wired mode if the battery runs low. Benefit from an ultra-fast and stable wireless connection up to 33 feet. Enjoy uninterrupted audio whether you're at home or on the go. Your purchase includes the foldable headphones, a backup audio cable, a USB charging cable, and a user manual for a complete experience. What we like. If you're seeking a comfortable and versatile audio companion for daily use, these are worth considering. The lightweight build and comfortable ear cups make them ideal for extended wear, and the stereo sound provides an enjoyable listening experience. If you need headphones for work, travel, or everyday listening without discomfort, these fit the bill. What people say. The memory foam ear cups are incredibly soft and I can wear them for hours during work or travel without any of that annoying pressure on my ears. The sound quality is remarkably crisp with deep, punchy bass that makes my music feel immersive, and the Bluetooth connection is rock solid with no lag. Perhaps the most impressive feature is the battery life, which seems to last forever on a single charge. Number 2. Riwbox XBT80 Folding Stereo Wireless Headphones. Experience crystal clear highs and deep, resonant bass. These headphones deliver precise audio for both your music and calls, ensuring an exceptional listening experience. Designed with soft, skin-like ear cushions and an adjustable headband, they provide a secure and comfortable fit for extended wear. You'll forget you're even wearing them. Enjoy up to 13 hours of playtime wirelessly on a single charge. Plus, with the included audio cable, they'll never power off, offering endless listening possibilities. Take your audio anywhere with the convenient foldable design. They're perfect for studying, working, or traveling, fitting easily into your bag. These headphones are crafted for the modern urbanite, seamlessly connecting with all your devices. They are the ideal audio companion for everyone. What we like. If you need headphones that offer flexibility and portability, these are a great option. The ability to switch between wireless and wired modes means they'll never run out of power, and the foldable design makes them easy to carry. If you're someone who uses headphones for various activities like studying or commuting and values convenience, these are a good fit. What people say. The balance on these headphones is incredible. I could hear everything: bass, treble, vocals, guitars, drums, almost perfectly even. I don't think I've ever listened to a pair of headphones that have such balanced levels and clarity. On top of these being Bluetooth headphones, I can connect via 3.5mm jack when I'm editing some of my recordings to avoid any latency. Bluetooth connection is simple and quick, and I've had no issues connecting them to everything with Bluetooth connectivity in my house. Number 1. OneOdio Studio Wireless Pro C Headphones. Experience music like never before. Our custom-made drivers deliver punchy bass and dynamic stereo sound with crystal clear vocals and crisp high tones. You'll be amazed by the detailed sound quality. Enjoy an incredible 110 hours of playtime in wireless mode on a single charge. And if you ever run low, simply connect the audio cable for continuous listening without interruption. These over-ear headphones feature an ergonomic design for long-lasting comfort. The soft memory cotton and protein leather ear cups provide a luxurious feel, perfect for extended wear. Designed for your on-the-go lifestyle, they feature a foldable headband for easy portability and space-saving storage. Enjoy great sound isolation wherever you go. Connect seamlessly to your PC, laptop, podcast devices, and more via Bluetooth or the 3.5mm audio jack. Enjoy high-quality sound across all your devices. Take hands-free calls with confidence thanks to the built-in HD microphone with advanced noise reduction. Enjoy lifelike voice clarity and multitask effortlessly. What we like. For audiophiles and power users who demand exceptional battery life and sound quality, these are the ones to get. The incredible 110-hour playtime and high-resolution sound ensure a premium listening experience. If you're looking for headphones for professional use, long flights, or simply want the best sound without frequent charging, these are an excellent investment. What people say. Audio quality is heavenly. Bluetooth works great and the battery life is absolutely awesome. Pairing process and all that is easy. Volume can get pretty loud before the quality starts to drop. The bass of these shakes my head and I can hear each instrument even with the bass running heavy and smooth. The 50mm drivers deliver where all else seems to continuously fail. They're loud and clear. Battery life is unbelievable. This earned an extra star. Charge on Sunday night and listen all week. The 110 hours advertised is no joke. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.